Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded and installed, what you can do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, and get started with downloading Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you've downloaded and installed it, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by once you open up the program. So from this home page, you're going to go ahead and be able to take a look at the recommended tools where we can get started with making our signatures. You can see here we have the option that says to fill and sign, and this is going to enable us to fill in forms and add your signature or send to others for e-signing. So this is what we want to use. You're going to click on fill and sign. It's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started with selecting the file that we want to add our signature to. And as you can see, once you select your file right here at the left side of the screen, you're going to have the add signature option. So click on add signature, and just like that, you're going to go and be able to add any signature that you want to your documents. You can get started with creating your own signature by clicking the plus button and get started with choosing how it's going to look, and then you can go ahead and save it. So once you save it, you're going to go and be able to apply it to any document in just one click, and this is how to get started with signing your documents with your digital signature. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.